Think about the last time you struggled to open a jar, or stopped to catch your breath after one flight of stairs. For a lot of people over 60, that moment has already arrived. Not all at once. Slowly. Quietly. A little more each year. And here's the thing nobody tells you. By the time you notice it, it's already been happening for years. Scientists have a name for it. Sarcopenia. And it starts around age 40. By 60, it picks up speed. But here's what's changed. Researchers now know this process is not a dead end. And the solution might already be sitting on your kitchen counter, right next to your coffee maker. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple ingredients you can add to your morning coffee to protect and rebuild your muscles after 60. Number 3 on this list surprises almost everyone. And number 1, most doctors have never even brought it up with their older patients. Stay with me until the end, because the way all 5 work together, that's where it gets really interesting. I've spent the last 3 years going through the clinical research on muscle loss in adults over 60. What I found changed the way I look at the morning routine completely. Margaret is 67 years old. 2 years ago, she was doing everything right. Walking every morning, eating her vegetables, taking her vitamins. But something still wasn't working. Her legs felt heavier than they used to. She stopped taking the stairs at the mall. She quietly moved her bedroom down to the ground floor, and her doctor told her it was just part of getting older. But Margaret's daughter, a nutritionist, told her something different. She said, "Mom, your muscles aren't getting what they need in the morning. That's the window you're missing." Margaret made 5 small changes to her morning coffee. Not her diet. Not her exercise. Just her coffee. What happened over the next 16 weeks is exactly why I'm telling you this story. I'll come back to Margaret throughout this video, because her results say more than any study can. Here's what's actually happening inside your body right now. Research shows that after 60, you can lose between 1 and 2% of your muscle mass every single year. And after 70, that number gets even faster. By the time most people ask for help, they've already lost 20 to 30% of the muscle they had in their 40s. But here's the part that changes everything. The biggest reason isn't just age. It's what happens in the morning. After 60, your muscles become harder to feed. A younger person can eat 10 grams of protein and their muscles get to work. An older adult might need 2 or 3 times that. And even then, the timing has to be right. Think of it like a door that used to open easily. Now it takes twice the knock to get it moving. The morning window, within the first 2 hours of waking up, is when your muscles are the most ready to receive nutrients. Most people over 60 are drinking coffee during that window, but they're drinking it alone. And that's exactly the gap these 5 ingredients fill. Let's go through them. Number 5 to number 1. Number 5, MCT oil. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. It's a type of fat found in coconut oil, but your body handles it very differently from other fats. Most fats get stored. MCT oil gets converted almost immediately into a fast fuel source. For your brain and your muscles, both. Why does this matter after 60? Here's one of the most overlooked reasons muscles shrink as we get older. The body simply doesn't have enough accessible energy in the morning. When your fuel tank is empty, your body starts breaking down muscle tissue to get what it needs. MCT oil stops that process in its tracks. It gives your body something to burn right away, so your muscles don't become the fuel source. Research shows that MCT supplementation can help support muscle strength and energy in older adults, making it easier for your muscles to do their job throughout the day. Practically, add 1 tablespoon to your morning coffee. It blends smoothly, has almost no taste, and it works best when combined with the ingredients I'll show you next. If you're new to MCT oil, start with just 1 teaspoon. Some people feel stomach discomfort if they jump straight to a full tablespoon. Number 4. Magnesium. Here's a number worth knowing. Research shows that more than 70% of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium from their food. And some studies put that number even higher. So why does this matter for your muscles? Every single time your muscles move, every step, every reach, every grip, magnesium is part of that process. Without enough of it, your muscles get tired faster, recover slower, and over time, they start to shrink more quickly. But there's a second benefit that most people don't expect. Magnesium plays a role in sleep, and your muscles do most of their repair work while you sleep. Research shows that magnesium supplementation can help reduce the amount of time it takes to fall asleep in older adults, which means more time in the deep sleep, where muscle recovery actually happens. Think of it this way. Magnesium works for your muscles twice. Once during the day while you're moving. Again at night while you're resting. For your coffee, add 200 to 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or magnesium malate powder. These forms absorb better and are gentler on your stomach than cheaper versions. Avoid magnesium citrate in the mornings. It can have a laxative effect at higher doses. At week 4, Margaret noticed something small. She was sleeping through the night for the first time in years. And when she woke up, the stiffness she always felt in her legs for the first hour, it was lighter. She didn't know it yet, but something had already started to shift. Number 3. And I did tell you this one would surprise you. Collagen. I know what you're thinking. Collagen is for skin, for wrinkles, for beauty products, not for muscles. That's what most people believe. And that's exactly why most people over 60 are missing one of the most important things their muscles actually need. Here's what most people don't realize. Your muscles are not just made of protein alone. Every single muscle fiber in your body is wrapped in a layer of connective tissue, like a sleeve around each muscle. That sleeve is made primarily of collagen. And starting around age 25, your body makes about 1% less collagen every year. By the time you're 60, that adds up. And when those sleeves start to weaken, your muscles become more vulnerable. They get damaged more easily. They recover more slowly. And they lose strength, even when you're eating enough protein. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition followed older adults with muscle loss. The ones who took collagen peptides daily, alongside some light physical activity, saw significant improvements in muscle strength and body composition compared to the group that didn't take it. For your coffee, add 1 tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, unflavored, no taste at all, and it dissolves completely in hot liquid. It pairs especially well with the next ingredient. Number 2. Whey protein. If there is one ingredient on this list with the most research specifically for people over 60, it's whey protein. Here's why it stands out above everything else. Whey protein contains the highest concentration of something called leucine. Leucine is the trigger. Think of it as the ignition switch that tells your muscles to start rebuilding. Without it being pressed, nothing happens. After 60, your muscles become harder to trigger. A younger person might get muscle repair going with a small amount of protein. An older adult needs more, and specifically needs that leucine trigger to be activated. Researchers at McMaster University, one of the world's leading centers for muscle research, have shown that whey protein is particularly effective at stimulating muscle repair in older adults, thanks to its high leucine content and the speed at which the body absorbs it. Other protein sources simply don't deliver it the same way. For your coffee, add 25 to 30 grams of whey protein isolate. Vanilla flavor blends well without overpowering the coffee. Stir it into warm, not boiling, and liquid to avoid clumping. If dairy bothers you, a high-quality pea protein with added leucine is the best alternative. At week 8, Margaret's physical therapist asked her to squeeze his hands. He looked at her and said, "Something has changed." Her grip strength, a standard clinical marker of overall muscle health, had measurably improved. Margaret hadn't changed her exercise routine at all. She'd only changed her morning coffee. Number 1. And this is the one most doctors never bring up with their patients over 60. Creatine monohydrate. I already know what some of you are thinking. That's for bodybuilders. That's for young athletes training hard. That's not for me. This is one of the most common and most costly misconceptions in senior health. Creatine is not a bodybuilding supplement. It is one of the most studied compounds in all of nutrition, with decades of research looking specifically at its effects on older adults. Here's how it works in plain terms. Your muscles store a form of creatine that they use like a quick-start battery, giving you a burst of energy for movement and recovery. After 60, your body produces and stores less of it naturally. Less energy for your muscles means slower recovery, more fatigue, and faster muscle loss. A major analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research looked across multiple studies on older adults specifically. The findings were clear. Creatine supplementation, even paired with light activity, led to meaningful improvements in muscle strength and physical performance compared to placebo. And this is important for anyone who has concerns about kidney health. The same body of research consistently shows that creatine at normal doses is safe for healthy older adults. The International Society of Sports Nutrition confirms this. If you have existing kidney disease, talk to your doctor first. But for most people over 60, the evidence strongly supports using it. For your coffee, add 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. No flavor. Dissolves completely. And this is the one ingredient on this list where patience matters most. Consistent daily use over 4 to 8 weeks is when the real benefits show up. At week 16, Margaret went back to her doctor for a routine checkup. He reviewed her muscle function tests, grip strength, balance, walking speed, standard markers used to measure muscle health in older adults. Then he looked up and asked, "What have you been doing differently?" Margaret told him, "Nothing dramatic. No new gym membership. No special diet. Just 5 small additions to the coffee she was already drinking every single morning." She was back on the stairs at the mall. She'd moved her bedroom back upstairs. And 2 weeks before that appointment, she had spent an entire afternoon in the backyard with her granddaughter, crouching, standing, lifting, playing, without stopping to rest even once. That's not a miracle. That's just what happens when your muscles finally get what they've been missing, at the exact time of day when they're most ready to receive it. Here's your complete morning coffee formula. Number 5. 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. Start with 1 teaspoon if you're new to it. Number 4. 200 to 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. Number 3. 1 tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Number 2. 25 to 30 grams of whey protein isolate. Number 1. 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. Add them to your coffee. Stir well. Give it 8 weeks of consistency. The changes will be gradual, and then suddenly very clear. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 surprised you the most? Drop the number in the comments below. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I read every single one, and your answers actually shape the next video I make. If you know someone over 60 who has been told that muscle loss is just a natural part of aging, share this with them. Because the research is clear. It doesn't have to be. And if you want to know the 5 foods that work alongside this morning routine to protect your muscles for the long term, that video starts exactly where this one ends. Click here, and don't skip the first 90 seconds.